After the breakup, most men try to prove their value. The men she never forgets do the opposite. They build it in silence. If you're chasing closure, checking her socials, or just wanting one last talk, you're not healing. You're training yourself to stay weak. And today, I'm going to show you how to flip that permanently. Right now, you're not broken because she left. You're broken because your focus left you. A breakup doesn't destroy a man. It reveals him. It exposes how much of your identity was tied to her approval, how little structure you had without the relationship, and how easily your emotions can hijack your discipline. Stoicism has a brutal rule here. Life is not led by feelings. It's led by principles. This video isn't about getting her back. It's about becoming a man so grounded, so disciplined, so self-directed that whether she ever sees you again or not, she'll never see you the same. And more importantly, you won't see yourself the same. Stay with me. Because the first step is where most men permanently fail. Step 1. Cut the weak version of you. Here's the uncomfortable truth. After a breakup, the old version of you has to die. Not slowly. Not when you feel better. Immediately. Most men keep the weak version alive by doing 3 things. Replaying conversations. Monitoring her life. Comfort coping with food, porn, weed, or endless scrolling. Let me paint a scene. It's 2 a.m. You're lying in bed, phone in hand. You tell yourself you're just curious. You check her Instagram. She looks fine, maybe even happy. That hit you feel? That's not love. That's dopamine withdrawal. And every time you do it, you're reinforcing a dangerous message to your nervous system. She controls my emotional state. A high-value man doesn't outsource his emotional regulation. So here's the Stoic move. You cut access. No checking. No just in case. No fake reasons. Not to punish her, to protect your mind. Because the man you're becoming cannot be built in the same mental environment that broke you. And if you're thinking, but what if she thinks I don't care? Good. Let her think whatever she wants. That's your first rep of emotional independence. Now, most men stop here and think that's enough. It's not, because if you don't replace weakness with structure, you'll relapse. Which brings us to step 2. Step 2, build a ruthless daily structure. Here's where most men fail. They think motivation will save them. It won't. After a breakup, motivation is unreliable. Discipline is not. High-value men don't ask, how do I feel today? They ask, what must be done? You need a ruthless routine. Not to distract yourself, but to rebuild authority over your life. 3 non-negotiables. 1, your body. Train even when you don't feel like it. Especially when you don't feel like it. The gym isn't about revenge. It's about teaching your nervous system that discomfort is survivable and controllable. Every rep says, I do hard things without emotional permission. 2, your time. Idle time is dangerous after a breakup. That's where obsession grows. Wake up with a plan. Go to bed tired from execution, not mental noise. 3, your sleep. Late nights fuel weakness. Sleep resets emotional control. This isn't self-help. It's self-command. And here's the part nobody tells you. When your structure improves, your thoughts follow, not the other way around. In a minute, I'll tell you the one mindset shift that instantly separates you from 90% of men after breakup. But first, there's something deeper you need to understand. Step 3, stop trying to be understood. This is subtle, and it destroys men quietly. After a breakup, men want to be understood. They want her to know how much they cared, how misunderstood they were, how they've changed. That urge is weakness wearing a logical mask. Stoicism teaches us clearly. You are not owed understanding, only alignment. High-value men don't explain themselves. They let their standards do the talking. Here's the reality. If she needs a speech to see your value, she never saw in the first place. And chasing understanding keeps you emotionally available, while she emotionally detaches. The man who wins long-term does this instead. He becomes quiet, not cold, not bitter, just directed inward. He invests in skills, in money, in purpose, in mastery, and eventually without a word. His life speaks louder than his explanations ever could. Now here's the shift I promised. Step 4. Replace validation with mission. This is the moment everything flips. Low-value men ask, am I enough for her? High-value men ask, what am I building that deserves my life energy? A breakup exposes whether you had a mission or whether the relationship was the mission. If she was the center, you'll feel empty now. If your mission was the center, you'll feel focused. So you build one, not a fantasy, not motivation quotes, a real mission, something that demands your mornings, your discipline, your growth. Because here's the truth most men never hear. Women don't respect men who orbit them. They respect men who orbit a purpose. And once your validation comes from progress, not people, your emotional stability skyrockets. You stop reacting. You stop chasing. You stop proving. And paradoxically, that's when your presence becomes heavy. Whether she ever comes back or not, something changes. You are no longer available to be ignored. Step 5. Emotional control is the real status. If you're still watching, this is the most important part. High value isn't looks. It's not money. It's not status. It's emotional self-command. The man who doesn't spiral when ignored. The man who doesn't need instant reassurance. The man who can sit with discomfort without acting out. That man is rare. And rarity creates gravity. So when she thinks of you later, and she won't remember your words. She'll remember how you didn't beg, how you didn't collapse, how you didn't chase validation. She'll remember the man who withdrew his attention with dignity. And that version of you, he doesn't need her reaction to feel complete, which is exactly why he's dangerous to ignore. Let's make this simple. After the breakup, you don't heal by talking more. You heal by becoming more. Cut the weak version. Build ruthless structure. Drop the need to be understood. Replace validation with mission. Master your emotional state. Do this long enough, and you won't need closure. You'll become the kind of man who creates it. If you're done being the old version of you, start with just one step today, and let the rest follow. Stay disciplined. Stay grounded.